Hello everybody. If you watched my video on the do-it-yourself seed starting mix, you know that I promised to share some results with you. So in that video, I did a basic seed starting mix recipe and then did 2 additional variations on that recipe, adding earthworm castings and mycorrhizae to my mixes. So using those 3 variations, I planted up 3 flats of spinach seedlings. These were planted on January 21st, and I'm shooting this video on February 8th. And I'm seeing some pretty astounding results. I figured when I did this experiment that I would see better seedling health and vigor in the mixes that had earthworm castings and mycorrhizae. I was not expecting these kind of results though. Even the germination was significantly affected by the addition of these goodies. So let's take a look at my flats here. This one was a mix of peat or coconut coir, vermiculite, and pearlite with no other additions. And this is what I did not expect. I didn't expect the significant difference in germination rates, but as you can see, this flat is fairly lousy. I've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 seedlings out of 55 cells that have germinated, and some of these are still pretty small. The next flat that you see here is the basic mix plus earthworm castings. So significant difference in the percentage of germination. So I've got 28 seedlings out of 55 that have germinated in this flat. And you can see here the seedling size on most of these is a lot larger than what we were seeing in the first flat. And here we have the last flat, which was the basic mix plus earthworm castings plus mycorrhizae. And this one has a fairly similar germination rate to just the earthworm casting. So I've got 30 seedlings out of 55 total that have germinated already. But as compared to just the earthworm castings, the seedling size on this tray is even larger. I mean, some of these are twice the size of what we're seeing in the first and second trays. So I'm seeing a marked difference between not only seedling vigor, but the seed germination as well by adding some components to this basic mix. So based on the results that I'm seeing, I am sold on the magic of mycorrhizae. Also of earthworm castings, I already knew that was good stuff. So I will definitely be making all of my future seed starting media using both of those additions. And for more updates and garden experiments like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel, Growfully with Jenna. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.